Grab some Hershey Kisses, punch or cut a heart out of colorful cardstock, and use some hot glue to glue it in between the bases of 2 kisses. Then using hot glue, add a little bead for the nose and 2 googly eyes to 1 Hershey Kiss. On the bottom of the other Hershey Kiss, attach a little piece of twine for the tail.
I'm going to start with a brick of floral foam, and as you can see, I added a very generous amount of hot glue. Now I'm going to work in our first flower greenery combos. Now we have some of these hot pink geraniums. Now we're going to work in these really pretty velvet heart sprayed.
Grab some red suckers and cut a small piece of green crepe paper and add a little glue from a glue stick. Then wrap the crepe paper around the stem of each sucker. Grab a piece of green cardstock and cut a leaf shape. Then use a green pencil to add some veining and embellishments to the leaves. Use a little hot glue to glue the 2 leaves together and glue the stems of the 2 suckers together. Attach the leaves to the stems.
I've pre-soaked 1 brick of fresh floral foam. We're going to just take that and wedge it in. Now begins the fun part, and that is going to be carving your foam into kind of a conical or triangular shape. Right here we have some mini carnations, so I'm just going to snip off the top and start placing them. So the biggest ones are sticking out the furthest, and then as we kind of approach the top, we are gradually getting smaller so that we kind of create that conical topiary shape. So to create the very peak of our topiary, we're going to take a carnation, place it sticking straight out, and then we can begin filling in. So I placed a few more pieces to fill in any of the holes where you still see the foams.
Grab some fun packs of Skittles, start with a clothespin, and add some washi tape to one side. Then trim down a fuzzy stick and curl it into antenna. Use some hot glue to attach the fuzzy stick antenna to the top of the clothespin. And a little more hot glue to add 2 googly eyes. And squeeze in that bag of Skittles.
Stuff a flower in a balloon with a chopstick. Fill the balloon with water and tie it off. Repeat that process and pop them in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the balloon.
Grab some Tootsie Pops. Using hot glue, attach the smaller of the hearts in a circle around the Tootsie Pop. Then use the larger hearts to create another row. Add as many rows as you like, and you're going to have this adorable looking flower.